What are you talking about?
Sir, but Arihant is my evidence, sir.
What evidence do you have?
Sir, Arihant, sir, he shall be my evidence for me sharing my dairy milk silk like a whole one with him. What do you say, Arihant? Would you betray your dear friend?
Happily, he will do that if that friend is Nihal.
Sir, sir, sir. Sir. Sir, sir. Sir,
You would
Arihant.
happily do that, right, Aryan?
Sir,
Sir, did he just say no?
I didn't hear. I heard yes.
Sir, but I heard. Sir, I heard no.
Okay, then let us both be happy and start the class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this was Pranavi. Check quickly.
Sir,
Pranavi,
no,
yours didn't get checked. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
you can check through the answer key. I am displaying it now.
Okay, sir.
Myra, font is good. By the way, did you just patch up with Shamla? Okay. Really one wrong or Parmanand way one wrong?
Sir, I started being honest.
Let's see how long it holds.
Sir, sir,
Yeah.
sir, he started being honest, but he never mentioned whether it was little honest or completely honest.
Sir,
Nihal,
everything correct.
focus it. Okay. Okay, doubts, please. Sixth one, people are asking before sixth. Anyone?
Sir, first one.
Who's that? Anish? Anish, you didn't get the first one?
No, sir.
Okay, find the average speed between t equal to 0.5 and t equal to 2.5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Average speed, you understand? How do we calculate?
Yes, sir. Total distance by total time.
Don't call it distance. We call it
TPL.
total path length by
Time.
time.
Total time.
Okay. So total, so 0.5 second, where was he? You can find out because it's saying that the curved part in the graph is represented by equation x equal to t square plus 1.
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir, so at t is equal to 0.5, it will become x is equal to 0.5 square plus 1.
what is that equal to?
Sir, it is sir 1.25.
Yeah. So now I am making a straight line motion, and at t equal to 0.5, he was at
It is at
1.25 meter
1.25
mark.
meters.
Then,
Sir, and at and then at t is equal to 2.5 seconds we calculate.
no, but in between what happened, we should see, right?
Yes, sir.
So you will have to check whether he moved forward, backward, and all. So till what
Yes,
time
sir.
did he move forward?
Sir, he moved forward till t is equal to 2 seconds.
Yeah. So what happens then?
Sir, the position will be 2 square plus 1, which is 5 meter.
Yeah. So now,
And then he moved backward.
then he moved backward till 2 seconds. And then at which point we need the position?
Sir, at 2.5 seconds.
Yeah. Now, how do you find position at t equal to 2.5?
Sir, we find the slope of the line.
Yeah. Okay. So you want equation of line then?
Yes, sir.
So slope is how much? First of all, you will have need endpoints, no? What are the endpoints?
Sir, but can we calculate it directly by seeing?
Yeah, you can. If you're confident, you can. Don't mess up. Okay.
Okay, sir. So at t is equal to 2.5 seconds, he will be at 4 meter mark.
Yes. Good. So you noticed it from the graph, no?
Yes, sir.
So that way you don't require equation of line or anything.
Yes, sir.
So t equal to 2.5, he is at which mark?
4 meter mark.
So he has gone forward and then he has come back. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how much is TPL?
Sir, 4.75 meter.
Yes, 3.75 forward and one back, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
4.75. How much is total time?
Sir, 2 seconds.
So how much is the average speed?
Sir, 4.75 upon 2,
Yeah, which is
which is 2.375.
okay.
Okay, sir.
Next.
Sir, second.
Pardon?
Second one, sir.
Who is that? Arihan?
Sir, Arihan. Yes.
So Arihan, second one is the same graph, right?
Yes, sir.
But second one, what are they asking?
Displacement. Like, no, average. No, not average. Velocity.
Average velocity, right?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Yeah, so we had already, can we reuse what we did in the previous question? We found the position at 0.5 and
2 and 2 points.
2.5. Right, Aryan?
Yes, sir.
So where was he at t equal to 0.5?
So at 0.5, he was at 1.25.
And at 2.5?
So he was at 4.
4 meter?
Yes, sir.
Right? So how do you calculate displacement? Do you require do you need to know what happened in between, or you don't care?
No, you don't care.
So what is the displacement?
So you can just subtract 4 and 1.25.
So which is equal to
I think 3.7, no, 2.75.
2.75 meter, and time.
2 seconds.
So what is the average velocity?
2.75 by 2.
Which is
1.375.
got it, Aryan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, in the exam, if that average velocity is not mentioned, only find the velocity is mentioned, then we should take instantaneous velocity, right,
Yes.
sir?
Yes. Very good question. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Anish.
Sir, third question.
Who is having doubt in third?
Sir, Nihal.
Achha, here you have to find instantaneous velocities at those 2 times, no?
Yes. Sir, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, for instantaneous velocity, first we should find the
What?
sir, the position at t equal to 0.5 second.
How will you find that? And why is that needed?
Sir, what is the formula for instantaneous velocity?
I didn't give any formula. I told you, right? Newton's method.
Oh, yes, sir.
So how will you find? You will have to calculate the formula.
Yes, sir.
So what is, if x is t square plus 1, how do you calculate v?
Sir, sir, m minus d.
Hmm?
Sir. Sir,
Revise and come. Next question. 6-1. I'm removing this question, okay? Anyone else had a doubt other than Nihal in this? Yeah. Tell me, what is the doubt? Find the velocity when the particle possessing position-time relation passes through 0 meter mark. So when does the particle passes through 0 meter mark? At what time? 0 meter mark means what should be 0? Position is 0, right? So we need to first find time when it passes through 0 meter mark. How do you find that time? Have you done this already, Arjun? Okay. Now you factorize it. So what are the times? 3 seconds. 4 seconds. Then, but what do you need to find? Time or velocity? So velocity, how will you find? How did you get that? Okay, we will come to t minus 7 when you use the delta method. Does anyone want me to do that or no? So what is the velocity then at t equal to 3? Yeah. And at t equal to 4. 8 minus 7 equal to 1 meter per second. So what do you think is the answer? Why? No. Look at it, guys. This is where you have to use the brain. Look at it. What is the question asking? 0 meter mark for second time. When does it pass the 0 meter mark for first time? What was the time? First time it was 3 seconds when it passed. Second time it will pass at 4 seconds, second time. So which velocity is the acceptable answer here? This velocity. So that's why this. Who didn't get the logic here? Sarah? Sure? Shamla? Nihal? Sohan?
So now I got the velocity formula.
Sohan?
So I got the sixth one correct.
Abhiram?
So I understood, sir.
Okay, next.
Sir, the last one.
Yes, sir. Eighth one.
Find the time when particle possessing position time relation is at x equal to 2 meter mark. This time it's not saying 0 meter mark, it is saying. So what will be 2? Who has a doubt in this? Rudransh, what should be 2? X is equal to 2. So at x equal to 2, how do you calculate the time? So 2 equal to no t square minus 70 plus 12. Now you don't factorize it like this. Factorization will not lead to anything unless there is a 0 on this side. So how do you get 0 on this side? So you get 0 equal to t square minus 70 plus 10. So t minus 2, t minus 5 equal to 0, t equal to 2 seconds, or t equal to 5 seconds. Got it?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, why won't you get the same answer if you take 2 in the left-hand side?
Okay. Reason is, look at it. I'm compare this, Ariyat, okay? T square minus 70 plus 12 equal to 0 versus t square minus 70 plus 12 equal to 2. Compare these two. In both cases, the factorization will be same.
Yes, sir.
Here also t minus 3, t minus 4, t minus 3. Now, when the product is 0, what can you confidently say? That one of them has to be 0?
Yes, sir.
You can confidently say.
Yes, sir.
But here, can you confidently say the value of t minus 4?
Sir, you can say t minus 4 is 2, and then you can say t is 6.
But if you say that, then t minus 3 equal to 1.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or t minus 4 equal to 1. T minus 3 equal to 2. Or t minus 4 equal to 4. And t minus 3 equal to half. You get that? Why I am writing like this?
Yes, sir.
Because we want product to be 2. So if we want product to be not 0, product to be 2, there are actually infinite possibilities. Hello?
Yes, sir.
That is why it's not good to solve without having a 0 on the other side. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, when you subtracted 2 from both the sides, like first you wrote 2 is equal to t square minus 70 plus 12 over there, and then you wrote 0 is equal to t square minus 70 plus 12 minus 2. But should that minus 2 be for the whole t square minus 70 plus 12? Or like, should
Pardon?
it be?
I didn't get you.
Sir, like when we, like, you subtracted 2 on both the sides, right, sir, to get
Yes,
the
yes, yes.
0 on the LHS.
Yes.
Sir, so then should the RHS be t square minus 70 plus 12 bracket minus 2, because should it be like the
If
whole?
you do that, then will you get a different result, Anish? See?
Sir, like I'm not familiar with that.
No, you are familiar with. If you do it like this, see what result you will get.
Sir, it will be the same.
So,
Okay, sir.
got it?
Yes, sir.
May I move on?
Yes,
Do
sir.
a question. I didn't understand. A minus 1 equal to 3. How did you get that? There was no 3 there. 3 were already transposed. And then velocity. You found it at t equal to 4, right? But you have to find now velocity at
Sir, can I tell the answer in the end? My sister has my dad's tab.
no. Yes. First time at what time? Check. How do you decide which time is the first time and which time is the later time? Hmm? What? How do you decide? Yes, so time is fine, but velocity. How do you decide which is the first time? Hmm? How how do you decide which is the first? What is the event happening, Sarah? Read the question. What is happening? It's crossing. No, it is crossing which mark? How many times is it crossing? It's not crossing it once. It's crossing it twice. It's crossing it at 1 second, and at what time will it cross it first? Right? Okay, Sohan, you are sending from a new number. You,
Yes.
Sohan, correct.
Okay.
What about others? Arihant, Anish,
Sir, sending.
Pranavi?
Sir, I'm sending
Sir,
you
1 minute.
So I'm sending him
Sir,
one.
1 minute.
Okay, guys, when are your schools reopening?
Sir, 12.
Sir, June 12th.
Sir, my school started
June
today.
Whose school
Sir,
started?
12.
Sir, my school started today.
And we yours started.
Yes, sir.
Which school are you with?
The Sriram Universal School.
Okay. Anyone else school starting this week?
Sir, mine is June 12th.
So nobody's school starting this week other than Pranavi? Okay, Pranavi, then I request you to adjust for one day, Wednesday. I
Yes.
told, right, that I will be taking some extra classes because we lost class time, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
first thing which I will be doing is that this Wednesday, you have a late evening class, right? I will be taking a long class till 11.
Okay, sir. I can attend 11.
No problem?
Yes, sir. Unless I need to ask my mom because the next day we have some thing in the morning. So I'll just ask her and confirm if I can attend.
Okay, no, but please adjust for one day, Pranvi,
Yeah.
because you are the only one odd one
Yeah.
out. So
Yes, sir. I will adjust.
I will go ahead.
Sir,
Okay.
in case if I'm not able to attend, is it fine? Like the extra class, is it fine if I could listen to the recording for that?
But in case you're
I'll
not
try
able
my best to attend.
yeah, but you will
Maximum.
leave early worst case, right? That's what you are
Yeah.
saying, right? I hope
Yes,
you're
sir.
not planning to skip it completely.
No, sir, I will attend it, but not more than 10:30, I guess.
Okay. Yeah, if that much is fine, then you can listen to the recording properly.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I'm sending.
Velocity thing is wrong. How is it -6 plus 6 delta is minus sign? What's the unit, Arihant? Units are missing, otherwise fine.
Okay.
Anish, fine. Who has not got it yet? Ashwik, you got? Arjav?
So just 1 minute, sir. I'm sending.
Sir, will we lose marks in the exam if we don't write units?
Hmm?
Will we lose marks in the exam if we don't write units?
Of course. Still your formula is wrong. Okay, Shamla. Yeah, fine. Anyone else who has not got?
Sir, me, I'm sending.
What is the formula? Still wrong.
Sir, may I use the washroom?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Sarah, you got it, right? Fine, fine, go. Okay, I'm moving on. Use your brains in this a little.
Sir, is this another common sense question?
Yeah. find the 1 meter mark. Wait, I'm extending the question. Okay, Pranvi, it's correct, previous one.
Okay, sir.
So it says to find velocity at that time. So we can find it first time or second time.
At that time. Question is what it is. That's why I said use common sense. It's not hot, right? See, I am feeling a little cold because I am not fully well. But are you guys feeling hot or it's T minus 2 whole square is not t square minus 2t plus 2, Aryan. Square root of 1 is 0.25. Square root of 1 is 0.25. Are you sure? Which grade are you in? Who's this? Your velocity formula is wrong. How much is square root of 1? So what can I do? Yeah, it's fine. So time is fine, then what? Velocity? Huh? Pardon? What? Who is this? So why did you select 1 second as the time? But why did I say first time? You will be surprised to know it will pass only once. Yeah, think. Good job overall, by the way. Still a good job. Like you got it wrong, but still a good job. Yeah, till that point, no problem. Your velocity formula is still wrong, Aryan. And your velocity, actually, velocity formula, fine, but velocity is wrong.
Sir, I didn't edit it in between.
I didn't get you. What are you saying?
Sir, I didn't edit it in between. Like I just
Don't worry, I will tell. Who's this? Velocity is nonsense. Root 1 is not 0.032. Root 1. Seriously, square root of 1. Time is not correct. These guys have gone crazy. I want to be correct. Tanvi, I don't understand what have you done in the end. Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm? Most is not. Okay, may I do it? See, first of all, to begin with, simplest approach, okay? Passes 1 meter mark. Focus here, guys. Means we are looking at x equal to 1. So we are looking at root 1 equal to t minus 2. How much is the square root of 1? Kunal? Square root of 1 is 1. I hope you understand why. So t equal to 3 seconds. Okay? Now I need to pick up the. Hello? Radhe Radhe. Up on. कौन भाई नहीं पहचान पा रहा अच्छा मित्तल लो दूसरे नंबर से कर रहे हो तुम ये तुम्हारा वो वाला व्हाट्सएप वाला सेव है हाँ ये वाला नंबर नहीं है मेरे पास असल में यार तुमने कल परसों में क्यों नहीं कॉल किया अभी तो मैं हैदराबाद आ गया हूँ और अभी इस समय क्लास के बीच में हूँ हाँ 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 अच्छा नहीं तो अभी नहीं अब देखो अब मैं कल भी नहीं फ्री हूँ अब मैं परसों फ्री हूँ डे टाइम में मतलब डे टाइम मतलब 10 बजे कर लो 11 बजे कर लो या फिर 1 बजे 2 बजे 12 से 1 छोड़ के कभी भी कर लो 12 से 1 मीटिंग है मेरी एक परसों तो उससे वरना 12 से 1 को छोड़ के 2 बजे से पहले कभी भी कर लो परसों परसों हाँ परसों हाँ वो फ्री रहेगा उस समय अभी तो हॉलीडेज चल रहे होंगे उसके ना नहीं अच्छा लेकिन अगर जेई की कोचिंग कर रहा है तो उसके कहाँ छुट्टियां होंगी हाँ नहीं तो ऐसा करो नहीं सुनो फिर परसों 3 बजे कॉल करा दो अगर 2:30 बजे घर आता तो 3 बजे भी चलेगा मेरे को परसों 3 बजे करा दो लेकिन उसके अलावा नहीं मतलब ज्यादा फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी नहीं है फिर 3 बजे फिर करा दो ओके ओके okay so first thing t equal to 3 seconds any problem
No, sir.
Now, after that, some people have innovated and innovated nicely. Some people have done is they have squared on both the sides. Okay. Now listen. That leads to a problem. You get a relation nicely, t square minus 4t plus 4. But let me tell you what problem squaring takes. When you went simple, you got time as 3 seconds. But if you square, you start getting 2 times, because if you do x equal to 1 again, you will do, right? Because and then you do t square plus minus 4t plus 3 equal to 0. You do t minus 1, t minus 3 equal to 0. You start getting 2 times instead of 1. Earlier, without squaring, you were getting only 1 time. So because you squared, you started getting 2 times. So if you are smart, which time will you pick? Will you believe that you are getting 2 times? Or you will believe only in single time? Single time only you have to take. Yeah. Yeah, you are 3x minus 2x. Huh? I don't understand. I still don't understand. Root x by root x. No. So you are multiplying this guy and this guy are equal, right? So root x is equal to 2 minus t minus 2. So you are multiplying this side by root x. This side also by root x. But this side, instead of taking it as root x, you knew root x is equal to t minus 2, right? So you're replacing root x by t minus 2 that side. Okay? Got Ashwin? See, both sides you multiplied by root x, but you already know root x is equal to t minus 2 now. So that side wala root x you replaced with t minus 2. That's why squaring works.
Sir, can
You
Sir,
got
even
the
if we
problem.
get
Listen,
Sir,
listen,
even if
guys. Listen, Anisha, I'm not done. First listen, then we will talk. So you get two times here, right? Yes or no? So you are creating a confusion for yourself if you are squaring. Here you are getting only 1 time, here you are getting 2 times. So best is don't square. Go back to Newton's method. You got t equal to 3 seconds. After that, remember what did you used to do on Newton's method? You used to find at t equal to 3 minus delta, what is x? You used to find that, right? So go back to the equation. Equation was root x equal to t minus 2. So at t equal to 3 minus delta, what does it become? Root x equal to three minus delta minus 2. Root x equal to 1 minus delta. X equal to 1 minus delta whole square. You got this as one of the points on the graph. At t equal to 3 plus delta. Right? What do you get? Root x is equal to 3 plus delta minus 2, which is delta plus 1. So x is equal to delta plus 1 whole square. Yes or no? Hello? This is how you used to take C. we don't know how the curve looks like, but let's say if we make it like this, we are finding at instantaneous velocity at t equal to 3. So this point at 3 minus delta is how much? 3 minus delta comma 1 minus delta whole square. If you're not getting, I will draw it big. So Sarah, this is how we used to do, right? We don't know how the curve looks like. So I'm just plotting a random curve. Okay. But we know we need to find instantaneous velocity at t equal to 3. How did we used to find? We used to say that, okay, we will treat this part as a straight line. We used to find this point, which is 3 minus delta, comma. How did we find x? 1 minus delta whole square. Right? Similarly, the other point is 3 plus delta, comma 1 plus delta whole square. Remember? Now you find the slope. That slope will give you velocity at 3. Hello? Which is 1 plus delta whole square minus by. Remember, this was the simplest approach we used to use. Use it. So 1
Sir,
plus.
is the slope 4?
Huh?
Sir, is the slope 4 meter per second?
I don't remember. I will have to calculate myself. I don't think so. I think it's 2. That's what I.
It's 2. Sir, it's 2.
Sir, can you share your screen? I mean, the board.
So it becomes 1 plus delta square plus 2 delta minus 1 minus delta square plus 2 delta upon 2 delta. So 4 delta upon 2 delta, which is 2 meter per second. Okay. So what is the velocity at t equal to 3? Velocity is 2 meter per second. See, we were able to answer both the parts. Find the time when it passes 1 meter per mark. What is the time? 3 seconds. And what is the velocity at that time? 2 meter per second. So if you don't get anything, go back to the simple Newton's method. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir?
can you share the board?
Sir?
Can you share the board?
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, you told you would give the formula for finding the formula of velocity on Friday, but like you called up the class on Friday.
So now I will give on next class.
Okay, sir.
Sir, but is it still okay to just keep it like root x and then solve the